Health Minister Harshvardhan on Thursday took to Twitter to sharply attack political leaders making irresponsible statements about the COVID-19 vaccination drive, countering claims of mismanagement, saying vaccination picked up and 11.5 crore doses were given in June after the center reclaimed responsibility for vaccination. Disgruntled Punjab Congress leader Navjot Singh Sidhu, who has differences with Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh, is likely to be suitably accommodated as the party looks for an early end to the crisis in the state unit, sources said. Despite repeated reminders from the government, Twitter has failed to appoint all the 3 statutory officers mandated after the new IT rules. Johnson & Johnson said late Thursday that its single-shot COVID-19 vaccine generated strong, persistent activity against the Delta and other highly prevalent variants. There has been little or no infiltration across the line of control after India and Pakistan agreed to observe a fresh border ceasefire in February, which has led to a significant decline in violence in Jammu and Kashmir, General M.M. Naravane said Thursday. The Supreme Court on Thursday said it was for Parliament to legislate and provide a time frame for adjudication of disqualification petitions against legislators by speakers. Lauding doctors for saving lives of lakhs of people during the COVID-19 pandemic and paying homage to those who laid down their lives in service of humanity, PM Modi on Doctors' Day. The Supreme Court has refused to re-examine its verdict, which declared reservation for Maratha community in Maharashtra as illegal and unconstitutional, and also held that only the center has power to declare a community as socially and educationally backward to get quota benefit. In a landmark verdict, the Nagpur bench of the Bombay High Court has ruled that adoption can be restricted to orphaned, abandoned and surrendered children, those in conflict with law or ones in need of care and protection. On Thursday, Bollywood actor Alia Bhatt shared a couple of monochrome pictures expressing that she is grateful to resume work in full swing after the coronavirus-induced lockdown.